cold in this house with no power, by the way, but I want to see the snow. Wow. Jeez. Okay, so day 2 without power. I wasn't sure I was going to make a video, but why not? I have my phone, and I have a very weak cell phone signal, so if I post this video with no intro, you know why. I don't have the access of internet or my laptop stuff. But let me show you what we've done to keep warm. Thankfully, we have a fireplace in my house. I have built a bedsheet fort tent around my fireplace. Guys, can I come in?
Yes. How we actually entertain ourselves.
So luckily we have a gas fireplace that we can run, and this is what we've built, and it kept us warm. Right now I'm making brown sugar banana pancakes. I have some bacon, and I kept my some of my refrigerator stuff because without power the refrigerator is kind of losing its cold temperature. So I put some things to save out on the patio in the snow, and that really helped us. But right now I'm making bacon and brown sugar banana pancakes. Okay, so here I'm making bacon. I had a pack of bacon that I kept out on the patio. As a matter of fact, that's where I'm gonna actually put most of the food, so it doesn't go bad, because the fridge has been without power, and the cold fridge it's going away. I'm probably gonna have to cut my losses and lose some of my food. Okay, so my husband's holding the flashlight. I have 3 medium ripe bananas that I mashed. I put like 1 or 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I actually have some butter flavoring. I thought that would be nice in this, so I added just maybe 1/8 to 1/4 of a teaspoon. I'm going to add 3 large eggs. Oops, making a mess. Sorry, the sound quality is so echoey. I don't have my usual setup. Okay, so I'm just going to mix all that in. I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil, maybe 2 tablespoons. Yeah, 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add some ground cinnamon, maybe 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. I'm going to shake in some. As you can see, I'm eyeballing stuff. And now just give it a mix. Okay, so this is mixed. Now I'm just going to add in a little bit of milk, just to get it to that pancake batter consistency. And that's that. These are going to be my banana pancakes. I'm going to cook these on the griddle, and I'll show you what a plate looks like. This is our breakfast. By the way, guys, it is super cold in my house. So cooking is another way for me to keep myself warm. Okay. Preheat my griddle. And I'm going to be cooking my pancakes on a low heat, but I'm going to let this preheat. Okay, so I'm just using some of that bacon grease to grease my griddle. Enough. It needs to be hotter. Oops. So I'm just going to let this cook on the first side until I see some little bubbling on the top, and then I'll give it a flip, cook it, and then just repeat the process until the pancakes are done. Let's see, might be too soon. Not bad. I might have to flip it over one more time to cook that, and that'll be done. And then repeat the process.
And to prevent other variants from evolving, Rob Stein, impurity. Stocks open high.
Okay, so here are the pancakes, and here's the bacon, and I'm gonna make me some coffee and keep it in this thermal mug to keep it warm or hot throughout the day. Get my water. My son is cranky. There we go. And that's my coffee. Okay, you guys, so pancake breakfast, brown sugar banana pancakes. So if you guys don't hear from me for a couple of days, just know that I probably still don't have power. In my house, I don't know, someone told me in these newer homes, these well-insulated homes, thankfully it is well-insulated, but it's still cold. Sometimes the way they build them, it interferes with like cell coverage. I really have like just unstable cell phone coverage, so I can't even really watch news. I can text if I stand in a place in my front yard or backyard, or even sometimes my house, but it's really unstable. So who knows if I'll be able to post this video, but if I do, just know that I got a signal. But I wish you guys well. If you are affected by this winter freeze and you are without power, like so many of my friends and family in the surrounding Houston, greater Houston area, I wish you well. Please stay as warm as possible. Stay safe. If you do not have a fireplace like I do, I remember, I want to say my grandmother did this long ago when I was a kid. She would just boil water sometimes just to keep the stove going. If, you know, we had gas, just to create some sort of warmth in the house. I know you still have to be safe with just running gas. You have to be very safe with that. But do the best you can, guys. My cat's even meowing of the cold. But if you don't see me for a couple of days, it's because I don't have power. And I don't know, I might vlog and post another recipe video. I'm cooking fideo con pollo later, so who knows? I might post that if I get a signal. But anyways, I wish you guys well, and I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye.